Every once in a while, a camera appears that makes photographers stop asking, how many megapixels does it have, and start asking a much more important question. What does it feel like to shoot with? That has always been Leica's greatest advantage. While the rest of the camera industry competes over specifications, release schedules, and feature lists, Leica has spent decades refining something far more difficult to manufacture: emotion. Every camera it builds is designed to slow the photographer down, encourage intentional composition, and turn the process of taking a photograph into something memorable. Now, that philosophy could be entering a new chapter. Rumors surrounding the Leica Q4 are beginning to gather momentum, and unlike many camera leaks that focus on one flashy upgrade, these reports suggest Leica may be rethinking the entire shooting experience. If the speculation is accurate, the Leica Q4 won't simply offer better performance, it could become the most complete Q-series camera Leica has ever created. As always, it's important to remember that Leica has not officially announced the camera, and none of these rumored specifications have been confirmed. Still, the consistency of recent reports has made the Leica Q4 one of the most closely watched cameras currently circulating in the rumor community. Let's start with the one thing every photographer notices first: the image. Leica has never built its reputation on producing technically perfect files alone. Its cameras are admired because of the character they bring to an image. Contrast feels natural, colors appear rich without becoming exaggerated, and fine detail is rendered with remarkable subtlety. That's why the biggest rumor isn't necessarily about resolution. Some reports suggest the Leica Q4 could receive a new full-frame sensor with slightly higher resolution than the current generation. Others believe Leica may keep a similar megapixel count while dramatically improving readout speed, dynamic range, and high ISO performance. If Leica chooses the second path, it would make perfect sense. Professional photographers don't simply need larger files, they need files that remain flexible under difficult conditions. They want cleaner shadows, smoother highlight recovery, and consistent image quality whether they're shooting at sunrise, sunset, or long after daylight has disappeared. Those are improvements that matter on real assignments. Performance is expected to receive equal attention. Modern cameras process an enormous amount of information every second. Every autofocus calculation, every burst sequence, every raw file, and every video frame depends on the processor working behind the scenes. Industry insiders believe Leica may introduce a more powerful generation of its Maestro image processor, allowing the Leica Q4 to respond faster while maintaining the clean, refined shooting experience photographers expect. That improvement could influence almost every aspect of the camera, from startup time to menu responsiveness and continuous shooting. Autofocus may be where users notice the biggest day-to-day difference. For years, Leica cameras have rewarded patience and careful composition. But photography has evolved. Street photographers capture constantly changing scenes. Travel creators work in unfamiliar environments. Documentary filmmakers often have only one chance to record an important moment. Because of that, many reports suggest the Leica Q4 could feature a significantly smarter autofocus system powered by advanced subject recognition. People, eyes, faces, animals, moving subjects. The goal isn't simply faster focusing. It's greater confidence. Instead of worrying whether the camera can keep up, photographers can focus entirely on timing, composition, and storytelling. Another exciting rumor involves image stabilization. Compact full-frame cameras are often carried precisely because they eliminate the need for larger equipment. Better stabilization would allow photographers to continue shooting handheld even when light begins to disappear. Imagine walking through a historic European city after sunset. Street lights illuminate narrow alleyways. Music spills from nearby cafes. Rain reflects colorful signs across wet pavement. Those moments rarely wait for a tripod. If Leica significantly improves stabilization, photographers could preserve those scenes naturally while maintaining the compact portability that defines the Q series. Video performance also appears to be moving higher on Leica's priority list. Although photography remains the camera's primary identity, today's creators rarely separate stills from motion anymore. A travel assignment might include magazine photography, YouTube content, cinematic B-roll, and short-form social media videos all captured during the same trip. Rumors suggest the Leica Q4 could better accommodate that reality with stronger internal recording capabilities, improved color profiles, smoother stabilization, and more advanced processing for video creators. Rather than competing directly with dedicated cinema cameras, Leica seems interested in making the Q series a more capable all-around creative companion. Then there is the feature many Leica fans care about more than any specification: the lens. The Q series has become legendary because of its fast fixed lens. It delivers exceptional sharpness while maintaining the distinctive rendering that photographers immediately recognize as Leica. Naturally, many enthusiasts are wondering whether Leica plans to change that formula. Current speculation suggests the company will likely preserve the core identity of the lens while introducing subtle refinements rather than dramatic redesigns. That approach would be consistent with Leica's history. When photographers already trust an optical design, careful evolution often produces better results than unnecessary reinvention. Externally, don't expect a completely different camera. Leica's industrial design has remained timeless for a reason. Clean lines, premium materials, and understated elegance have become part of the brand's identity. Instead, the Leica Q4 is expected to focus on meaningful refinements. Whether those rumors become reality is something we'll have to wait and see. But one thing is already clear. The Leica Q4 isn't generating excitement because it's trying to be everything for everyone. It's generating excitement because it may become exactly what Leica photographers have been waiting for: a camera that quietly evolves one of the industry's most iconic designs while staying true to the philosophy that made it legendary.